right? The only thing different between what we just graphed and this one is this time we got a 4, right? So A equals 4, B equals 2. And so I'm going to make a table of values. And this time I'm just going to go -2 to 2 because I can pick. I will. And the first, for x equals -2, that'll be 4 times 2 to the -2, which is 4 times 1 over 2 squared, right? Flip it to the other side, it becomes positive, which is 1. 4 times 2 to the -1 is 4 times 1 over 2 to the first, which is 2. 4 times 2 to the 0 is 4. 4 times 2 to the first, 8. And 4 times 2 squared, 16. Okay, so if I graph those, I've got to get up to 15. 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 10, 15. The first point is -2, +1. That's about right there. The next point is -1, +2. About right there. The next point, 0, 4, that is here. And 1, 8 would be about there. And 2, 16 would be here. So can we see the shape of the graph? Pretty much. So we'll connect all these up. You know, how does that graph compare with the graph we saw in terms of the shape on the previous? Yeah, it's pretty much the same. The only thing that's different is the scale. I mean, you could draw the same graph every time, just change the scale. So this case, it went up in 2s. The y-intercept was 1. In this case, you know, we had to make it go up, make my scale go in 5, in increments of 5. And the y-intercept this time is, it's actually 4, right? It's what you get when you plug in x equals 0. So what we notice now is in this, when we have a y equals a times b to the x, that a, that is the y-intercept, right? That's always the y-intercept because when you plug in x equals 0, then that is 1. So that means y equals whatever that number is. So that is the y-intercept. What is the domain of that function? Look at this. You're looking for how its extent to the left and to the right. Okay? It's infinitely to the left. It's infinitely to the right. All real numbers. How about the range? Did that change? No, it's still the same. How about the asymptote? Still in the same spot, still right here. Y equals 0. So the only thing that changes, because we multiplied by a constant there, is the y-intercept. Everything else about it was the same.